I purchased this bench off of Facebook Marketplace for $40 and thought that it would be a fun project to recreate and modify. Out of curiosity, I did a search and found this similar bench from Tractor Supply for $240. And I will make a point to note that although there is some solid material on this bench, there is also a fair amount of fake wood or engineered wood. When we initially calculated the project cost for the indoor bench, we estimated the hardwood lumber would total $107.19 if we were using oak at a cost of $3.50 per board foot. And this is with an estimate of 30.625 board feet. As I built this project, I kept track of every board that I purchased, calculated those out, and came up with a total cost of $105.36. This happens to be about $2 less than my original estimate. What I also did was save every offcut piece that I could. So this is all my leftover lumber, and you will see that I have 3 fairly large size sections of boards that were left at the end of the project. And these boards total $20.25. So this is material that I paid for that just ends up being left at the end of the project. To save money on this project, if we begin by creating the seat, at least to the point where we have glued it up, which is step 7A through 7E, as well as creating the seat front and rear and backrest rails, which are also long pieces. If we can create these long pieces first, then we can use all of the offcut pieces to create all our smaller pieces. This will save us money in the end, and hopefully we will not be left with these large pieces of lumber at the end of our project.